Hi, welcome. This is Wendy from Teaching Tips. How to make a dramatic and different opening to your PowerPoint presentation. Use a pattern and the curtains transition function in PowerPoint. Here I will show you how. Open up PowerPoint. Insert a blank slide and position it so it is the first slide. Click on Design. Click on Format Background. Then Picture or Texture Fill, followed by Insert. You can choose an image from your computer or online. Here I will show you how to insert a pattern I have saved in my files. Choose your image and click Open and Insert. Click on the second slide, then go to Transitions. Choose the Curtains transition. And there you are. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.